Ramachon. Today we are going to start revision from chapter number 7 to chapter number 9. Chapter number 7 is Can You See the Pattern? Chapter number 8 Mapping Your Way, and chapter number 9 Boxes and Sketches. So let's begin. So let us start with revision worksheet. Question number 1, complete the pattern. A part 24, 32, 40, 48. So students, we have to complete this pattern. So see here, 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 8, 48. 48 plus 8, it is 56. 56 plus 8, 64. Now B part 7, 21, 35, 49. So let us see the pattern here. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35 into 5. 7 7s are 49. 3, 5, 7. So now we will multiply by 9. As you can see, all are odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, then 9, then 11. So 7 9s are 63. 7 11s are 77. Now C part 100, 80, 60, 40. So you can see it is backward counting, and here we have subtracted minus 20. So 40 minus 20, 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Now D part 18, 38, 58, 78. So here you can see it is increased by plus 20. Here also plus 20. Then here also plus 20. So 78 plus 20, 98. So right here 98. 98 plus 20, it is 118. Now E part 234, 345, 456, 567. Just see the pattern here. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. So again now we will take from second number. It will be 6, 7, 8. Then again from second number 7, 8 and 9. Now F part 25, 30, 40, 55. See the pattern here. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 15, it is 55. So means 5, 10, 15. Next number will be 20. So 55 plus 20, it is 75. Then 75 plus 25, it will be 100. So I hope students, now you are able to complete the patterns. Question number 2, answer the following. So these questions are based on directions on maps. So you know that there are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. So let me show you our 4 directions: north, south, east and west. So here we move like this, it is clockwise, and if we move like this, it is anti-clockwise. Now A part, if you are facing south, which direction is to your right? If you are facing south, if you are facing south, which direction is towards your right? It is west. So right here, W, E, S, T. Now B part, if you are facing north, which direction is to your right? Now you are facing towards north. So towards right is east. So right here, E, A, S, T. Now C part, if you are facing north, which direction is behind you? Behind means piche. If you are facing north, so which direction is towards you behind? It is south. So right here, S-O-U-T-H. Now D part, if you are facing west, which direction is to your left? If you are facing west, which direction is towards your left? It is south. So right here, S-O-U-T-H, south. E part, is there any state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir? So in the map, students, you can see there, is there any state towards the north of Jammu and Kashmir? No, there is no state towards north of Jammu and Kashmir. So right here, no. Now F part, Ram lives in Gujarat. So Ram lives in Gujarat. See the map, students? Now Ram's friend Hari lives in West Bengal. Where is West Bengal? Towards east. Now Ram wants to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? So students, Gujarat is towards west and West Bengal is towards east. So which direction Hari will travel? He will travel towards east. So right here, towards east. I hope students your directions concept is clear. That where is north, south, east and west. Now next question. Look at the map. Which of these is the longest road? So now here look at the map and tell me which is the longest road. So you have different roads. Which is the longest one? Subhash Marg. So right here, S-U-B-H-A-S-H, Subhash Marg. Subhash Marg is the longest road in the map. So now let us see what are 2D and 3D shapes with examples and how many faces, edges and vertices does cube and cuboid have. So now let us do this question through screen.
What is a 2D shape? A shape or a figure that has a length and a breadth only is a 2D shape. The sides are made of straight or curved lines. They can have any number of sides. Examples of 2D shapes. The first shape you can see, triangle. It is a 2D shape. It has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. The second shape you can see, circle. It is a round flat 2D shape. No straight sides, only one curved side and no corners. The third shape you can see here is square. In square, it is a 2D shape. 4 sides are of same length, 4 90-degree angles and 4 corners. Then rectangle, it is also a 2D shape which has 4 sides where the opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. All the angles of a rectangle are equal to 90 degree. Next, pentagon. It is also a 2D shape. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Then hexagon. It is also 2D shape. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. Then heptagon. It has 7 sides and 7 corners. Octagon. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Then nonagon. It has 9 sides and 9 corners. Then decagon. It has 10 sides and 10 corners. So here is a summary of 2D shapes. So students, just pause the video and go through it. Now, what is a 3D shape? 3-dimensional 3D shapes are solid shapes. They have 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. The main components of 3D shapes are faces, edges and vertices. A face is a flat surface. An edge is where 2 faces meet. A vertex is a corner where edges meet. The plural is vertices. So in figure I have shown you face, edge and vertex. Now examples of 3D shape: cube and cuboid. They are 3-dimensional shapes which consist of 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Cubes and cuboids are shaped like boxes. Cube has square faces and all the edges are equal in length, whereas cuboid has rectangular faces where all the edges are not equal in length. So here cylinder, sphere and cone are also example of 3D shape.
Before moving to question number 3, let me tell you all what is a net. A net is a 2-dimensional shape that can be folded to form a 3-dimensional shape or solid. A solid may have different nets. So here you can see nets are drawn. Now question number 3, write the names of the shapes form using the nets given below. So here you can see nets are drawn. We have to write the name of shape. A part, so you can see all the faces are square in shape and total there are 6 faces. So which shape is this? Cube. So right here C U B E, cube. In cube total there are 6 faces and all faces are square in shape. Now B part, you can see it is rectangle and all faces are rectangle, so it is cuboid. So right here C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Now C part, one triangle and one circle. So which shape is this? Cone. So right here C-O-N-E, cone. Now D part, one rectangle and 2 circles. Which shape is this? Cylinder. So right here C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. So I hope students the concept of 2D shape and 3D shapes is clear and you know the difference between cube and cuboid. So now let us do some questions based on palindromes and 3 different views for seeing an object: top view, side view and front view. So let us do these questions through screen.
So now let us see what is a palindrome. In maths, a palindrome is a word or number that reads the same forward and backward. For example, the number 353, 787, 2332 and 17371. If you read forward and backward, the number that reads the same. The word madam, race car, mom, civic, these are the examples of palindromes. So students, what is a palindrome? Palindrome is a word or number that reads the same, forward and backward. So now question, which of the following is not a palindrome? A part refer, B part rotator, C part bank and D part level. So what is a palindrome? It is a word or number that reads the same forward and backward. So A part, it is same forward and backward. B part is also same. But C part, B-A-N-K, if you read forward and backward, it is different. So bank is not the palindrome.
Question number 4. Make 472 and 347 a special number. So students, how to find out special number? If you read from left side or right side, both the sides it will be same. So let us do that. First number is 472. Your first step is reverse the number. So it will be 274. 274. Now add them. 2 plus 4, 6. 7 plus 7, 14 and 1 carry. 4, 5 and 6, 7. 7, 4, 6. Now 7, 4, 6 is not a special number. Again reverse. It will be 6, 4, 7. Now add them. 7 plus 6, 13. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 6, 13. So 1393 is special number? No. Again reverse. It will be 3931. Now add it. It will be 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 and 3. 3 plus 1, 4 and 1, 5. Is this a special number? No. Again you have to reverse. It will be 4, 2, 3, 5. So now add 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Is this a special number? Yes. 9559 is a special number. अगर आप right side से पढ़ेंगे 9559, all you read from left hand side 9559. Both the sides it is same. So it is a special number. Now 347. So now first write here 3, 4, 7. Reverse the number 7, 4, 3. Then add. उसके बाद plus करिए. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8. And 1, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. Is this a special number? No. Again reverse. It will be 0, 9, 0, 1. Now add 1, 9, 9, 1. Is this a special number? Yes. If you see from left side and right side, both the sides it is same. 1991 is a special number.
Now question number 5. Can you guess the secret number? It is larger than half of 100 and it is more than 7 tenths and less than 8 tenths. The tenth digit is 2 more than the ones digit. Together, the digits have a sum of 12. So here you can see together the digits have a sum of 12. So what is the secret number? So the secret number is 75. So now let us discuss 3 different views for seeing an object. So in this object there are 3 different views: top view, side view and front view. So if you see an object from top, so this is the top view. If you see that object from front, so this 4 are front view. And if you see this object from side view, this is the side view. So next solid you can see it is made up of 3 cubes. So this is the side view and this is the front view and this is the top view. There are 3 different views: top view, side view and front view. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So revision worksheet chapter number 7 to 9 is completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now I'll continue in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye.